Mr. F made this.
Now let's quickly look at how to make different front patterns, simple slippers for children. I'm just going to cut one or two for us to see, then we can make use of that for subsequent one. Now the first thing we are going to do is this. We are going to fold our pattern depends on how wide the baby's leg is. As you can see, this it's about 6 inches. So dividing it is even longer. You know, since I folded it, by the time I open it, it's going to be 6 inches. You know, it's even longer. So that's what we are going to make use of. Now let me quickly show us what we are going to do. We are going to measure 3.5 centimeter from here to here, 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Now we're going to measure 1 centimeter this way, 1 centimeter this way, 1 centimeter this way, 1 centimeter this way. So this is what I'm going to have here. I believe we can see it. Now we can see what I've drawn here. The next thing we are going to do, remember our pattern that we cut initially, we are going to use it for the shape now. First of all, this side, you have to make it curve. So curve it this way, as you can see. Now we are going to use this one to bring it down. You can see it. As you can see. So we're having this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to extend this one a little bit more. Make it 5.5. 5.5. So this place is 3.5, while the whole of them, all is going to be 5.5. Now this is what we are going to have. You're still going to pick up that your pattern, place it on it for you to draw this side. Let's be careful here. So you can see I've used it to draw, so depends on how you want it to look like. So now you can also reshape this if you want. You can reshape this one if you want it to go this way. You can reshape it, and if you want it that way, this is what we are having. That we've created is simple slippers. So all you need to do with this kind of slippers is definitely your choice. If it's something you want to make this way, you want it to look like this, you just cut a straight rectangular pattern on top of it and place it. You see, you already have a style already. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can decide to create a space here. You punch this place, you punch it, you knot it. By the time we start our cutting with leather, you understand, you open this place up, and then something, you have your leather coming out from the other side of it. Now this same pattern, you can decide to use it like this. Place it. I'm going to cut it out. Now I've cut it again, but I want to shape it to a masculine style. That other one looks more like it looks feminine, so I want to make it look masculine. So you can see what I just did there. So now all I need to do is to move it backward a little bit. You can see how it looks like. So I can decide to just insert another thing, another pattern. Like you have a straight pattern like this. Just insert it here, while the remaining one goes in between. You can see that this is looking more masculine than the other one that is looking majorly feminine. So all you need to do is just to use your shape and just draw whatever you like. You can see how this look like. Now I want to quickly show us how to draw front pattern. There is a front pattern for children. This is how it looks like. Mainly it is used for boys sandal, so it looks like this. Although you can decide to make it straight, you can decide to make it half shape like this. You can see this one has a shape. So basically what you need to do is measure the child's leg this way. You can see this one. It's about 3 inches. It's about 3 inches. It's about 3 inches. But let's say we want to work with centimeter. So we're going to make use of 9 centimeter. Let's make use of 9 centimeter. Now, this is what we're going to be having. I'm going to make the width 4 centimeter. So let's measure our 9. Centimeters. So this is going to be 4. The width is going to be 4. So this is what it looks like. Now what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to reduce each of the sides by 0.5. I mean, I want us to see it well. 0.5, 0.5. I'm reducing by 0.5 on the two sides. Now the width is 4. I reduce it 0.5 is 0.5 is 0.5 and is 0.5 here. Now look at it. Now this is what I'm going to do now. Majorly, if you look at the shape, you'll find out that this place seems bulky. You can see it's wider than this other part. So from this our 9 centimeter length, we are going to make that wide part at 4 centimeter. At 4 centimeter. Sorry, I'm supposed to measure my 4 centimeter. Also here. Also here. So what is going to happen is this. From the 0.5 deduction, you're going to bring it to the point 4. I'm going to do the same thing to this. So this one too, same thing. So as you can see. So if you don't want it to be as wide as this, you may not make your own as wide as this, but this is what it will look like. So you can allow your strap to go in it, into it, and into it, and into it. As we continue, I'm sure you understand the pattern. Alternatively, you can decide to make the pattern straight. It's not compulsory that it should be that shape. Yours can be straight. Just cut it straight. Of course, you make use of your 9 centimeter. So just stays this way, as you can see. Draw this particular pattern. It's majorly used for girls, can be used for boys as well. Can be used for boys as well. So what we are going to do is this. Our previous pattern that we called, don't forget, they are very it's a very useful one. So what you do now is, you can see I folded my pattern, I folded it. So just place it on it. Just use it to cut it out, to draw it out. So the width here is left to you, how wide you want it to be. It's left to you. Let's see. Easy to cut. Can you see what it looks like? So the next thing is just to, if you want to extend it depending on the size you are using it for. as you can see. So all we need to do is just to cut it out. As you can see. I want to make use of this particular cover to make this shape. That's another pattern I want to quickly let us see how I created it. As you can see, what I did was I needed the diameter of this particular cover, and that's what I've been able to get from what I have here. So I'm just going to draw it. I'm drawing it so that I can have a consistent line, so that one will not be different and the other will be another thing. So I'm going to draw the first cover, place it on, you can see, place it on it, and draw the next one and continue like that. This is what we have. So what I'm going to do now is you can see what is becoming. Now this is what we are going to have. As you can see, you can use it as a front pattern and decide to put this at the back. You can see how lovely the sandal is going to actually look like. You can decide to make it double, one in front and then you put another one at the back. It will be more like a slippers.
Mr. F made this.